Hello guys, this is my video. Welcome on board. I'm Naoufel Ghannami and today I will try to explain how do airplanes fly. But before addressing the core of this topic, it must be known that the first successful flight was in 1092 when Wright brother had invented the first aircraft, and nowadays there are 2.5 billion passengers flying annually. Perhaps we may ponder and wonder about what makes the airplane fly. To know the answer, let's go on board and don't forget to fasten your seatbelt and let us explore a world of wonder. So actually, to know how the airplane fly, we need first to know the so-called aerodynamic forces. There are 4 forces executed on the airplane. First, the gravity, which is the plane weight, and it's a force that is always directed toward the center of the earth. The lift, which is an opposite force of the gravity, and it's a force generated by the wings. Thrust, which is the force generated by the engine to go forward, and finally the drag, which is air resistance that resists the motion of the airplane. But you may ask, how do those forces help an airplane to fly? Actually, for an airplane to take off and flies, the lift produced by the wing must be equal or greater than the plane's weight. The lift is the crucial force that makes the airplane fly. But how it's produced? The lift force is produced by the violent crash of lot of air molecules with the undersides of the wing more than its upper sides. And this is the role of an airfoil. Airfoil is the cross-sectional shape of the wing, and it comes in different shapes. The most commonly used airfoil for model aircraft are symmetrical, semi-symmetrical, and flat bottom, and we use those specific forms to accumulate more lift. To know how exactly it works, let's try an experience. First, with 2 white papers, we try to create 2 similar wings. One with the flat bottom airfoil and the other without. We attach it using a support and a thread, and finally we power on a fan and see what's happening. As you have seen, when we power on the fan, the wing with flat bottom airfoil flies. Contrary, the other didn't. That's because the majority of air molecules crush more on the underside of the flat bottom airfoil wing, and this is exactly how airfoil form help the airplane to produce lift. Now guys, let's go to fly navigation. Have you ever wondered how the airplane can climb up or descend? The plane can climb up or descend with the help of what we call the elevator. Now let's do the same experience but with an elevator effect. First, we add an elevator to our similar wing. Then we power on again the fan and see what will happen. As you have seen, when the elevator is up, the plane will climb up, and when it's down, the plane descends. So simple, isn't it? Now guys, it's the end of the video. I wish you have learned how the airplanes fly, and don't forget to share these informations with your friends. Thank you.